Clover Lee. I'm the founder of David Clovers. We're an architecture and design firm. My partner David and I were both practitioners, architects, and also academics. I'm assistant professor at Rice University.
I'm David Erdman, also a partner in David Clovers, and as well a professor at UCLA.
So we're currently working in Ilan Day's shop, which is in Venice, California. He has a really big wood shop with a lot of equipment and digital fabrication, robots, and equipment that we've been using to build a large model, a 9-foot long model of a house project that we've been working on. Yeah,
a lot of the work we do, we're very interested in using a lot of light and patterning and dealing with a lot of more organic geometry.
This project we call Mass 4. It's part of a series that we call 7 Masses. So we decided, instead of developing one house that's usually specific for one client, we've simultaneously developed 7. And the material we've been working with, concentrating on for this project, is solid surface, which is actually familiar to a lot of people because it's used for countertops,
Korean solid surface,
used for sinks. So we know that it's very waterproof, it's very durable, and at the same time, because you've seen them shaped into sinks, we know that it could be shaped. And we thought it would be interesting for us to work with this material as an exterior cladding. And what are the attributes of it? You know, we could actually carve into it, and we can also shape it. And also, we really like the quality that it could be translucent. So based on how deep we carve into it, we can control how the light moves through the material. So these are all attributes we found really interesting about it.
You know, and it was literally the artist that we're working with, Casey, kind of was like, one day was like, hey, have you guys thought about trying to put some light behind this stuff? And because we work with light a lot, but usually with plastics, and we were like, no, we haven't tried it. So that just shot off all of these other experiments. And what's really beautiful about it is the way that it holds the light. You can form it, you can remove a bit more so that it will glow a bit more. And that's really what a lot of these studies are, just us kind of playing with that and looking at that and figuring out what we can do with it. So these sheets start like this, we cut them like this and etch this pattern into it. And then basically kind of like a pizza oven with a vacuum attached to it. We heat these up and then we put them into these molds and form them, clamp them down and form them. And that's how this begins to take this shape here.
This is not very typical of the direction of residential architecture right now, but we believe that there is definitely a future of a market between the highly customized, unique homes and the mass-produced tract homes.
We really would like to reintroduce ornament in a way that has more meaning within the contemporary culture of residential architecture, and also, to some degree, a sense of special effects and things that can really imbue a degree of fascination with the way that you live.